Welcome to this video. Taking care of your immune system is critical to your general health, and one of the easiest ways to do so is to consume foods rich in the nutrients our bodies require. In this video, we'll discuss some of the greatest foods to consider including in your diet to boost the health of your immune system and even help you fight infections. Make sure to stay till the end because there is another list of guidelines for repairing an old, weak, and damaged immune system that far too many people miss. Let's dig in. Number 10. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C, and they are one of the finest meals for strengthening your immune system. Vitamin C is an excellent immune booster because it stimulates the production of new white blood cells, which fight infections naturally. A cup of bell peppers, or roughly 150 milligrams, provides about double the required daily dose of vitamin C. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is also a well-known staple in healthy diets since it is a vegetable that can do it all. Broccoli has sufficient fiber to promote gut health and wipe out undesirable microorganisms from the GI tract. It's also high in vitamins A and C, which offer your cells the energy and vigor they need to fight when you need them the most. However, the list continues beyond there. There is also tuna, which is a fantastic immune-boosting meal. Number 8. Tuna. Tuna is one of the top sources of vitamin B6, providing your body with beneficial omega fatty acids. This vitamin is essential in boosting your immune system and is linked to lower cancer risk. Vitamin B6 is also essential for antibody formation and inflammatory regulation. 6 ounces of tuna can offer your body nearly half of the recommended consumption of vitamin B6. Other meats high in vitamin B6 include turkey, salmon, and chicken. Number 7. Beef liver. The beef liver may not seem very tasty, nor is it a mainstay of most diets, but it is healthy for your immune system since it can serve as a critical source of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is often recognized for providing your body with an energy boost, but many people are unaware that it also aids with the body's immunity. It stimulates natural killer cells, a kind of lymphocyte known as white blood cells. This is beneficial in combating infections and aiding the body's recovery from viruses. Unfortunately, most individuals do not get enough of this vitamin. This is especially true for vegans and vegetarians because significant dosages of B vitamins are not often present in plant-based diets. If you consume predominantly greens, consider taking vitamin B12 pills if your doctor recommends it. Regarding vegan diets, potatoes are an excellent source of vitamins as well. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in both taste and nutrients. Aside from providing beneficial carbs and fiber for gut health, they are also high in vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the construction and functioning of B and T cells, which are involved in the body's immunological response. Vitamin A also aids in initiating an antibody response, which aids in the battle against infections. Other good sources of vitamin A are spinach, carrots, and eggs. Number 5. Almonds. If you want to nibble between meals, there is only much better or healthier than almonds. They are not only sweet, but they are also high in vitamin E, which is beneficial to your immune system. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that assists in maintaining cell membranes and preventing harm when an infection is present. A handful of almonds daily is a terrific method to boost your immune system rapidly. Sunflower seeds and granola are also rich sources of vitamin E. Number 4. Oysters. Oysters are high in zinc, so they are one of the healthiest meals for your immune system. Zinc is a mineral that helps immune cells mature and operate well, particularly T lymphocytes. Generally speaking, oysters are one of the foods that contain the most zinc. 3 medium-sized oysters should provide you with the daily required amount. But it's understandable if you're not a fan of oysters. Their texture is distinct, especially in raw oysters, which tend to be slimy. People either love or despise them, and if you don't like them, other shellfish such as lobster, crab, and shrimp also have enough zinc. Number 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are high in copper, making them an ideal diet for immune system support. Copper aids the body in increasing the amount of T cells that fight infections. It also aids the body in the production of new antibodies, which help in the fight against illnesses. Mushrooms can be eaten alone or with sauces, pasta, or salads. They provide taste to your dish while also providing essential nutrients. So if you dislike mushrooms, you should rethink since you're losing out on some beautiful nutritional advantages. Number 2, garlic. Garlic, which includes the chemical allicin, supports a healthy immune system. Allicin is an anti-inflammatory antioxidant. However, due to its capacity to destroy pathogenic cells and restore an immune system that some medicines have compromised, investigations have revealed it to be a promising therapy for specific infections. Garlic can be used raw as a spice or even as a supplement with the authorization of your primary care physician. Number 1, turmeric. Turmeric is another food worth mentioning. It is another spice that you may use to improve the flavor of your food and boost your immune system. Turmeric contains a chemical known as curcumin, which is beneficial to your general health. It is commonly used to combat inflammation, but studies have shown it can also increase the body's antibody response. It is also a natural technique to aid folks with immunological diseases. Regarding the immune system, turmeric, like garlic, may be used as a spice or taken in pill form as a supplement. While it is true that food helps improve your immune system, if you want to ensure that they increase immunity, especially for older people, you may follow these extra guidelines on repairing an old, weak, damaged immune system. Age has a significant impact on the immune system, and if you have a long history of things that can weaken the immune system, such as taking antibiotics or steroids as a child, teenager, or adult, or if you have had chemotherapy, that can significantly weaken your immune system as you get older, and that simply kills the immune system. Therefore, it needs to prepare more. The essential question today is how to strengthen your immunity. One essential way is colostrum. Breastfeeding is a critical factor in strengthening your immune system. But if you're under the age of 30, that's going to happen. So the next best thing is to take a colostrum supplement, which is identical to what is contained in breast milk. It's high in antibodies and other immune-boosting substances. Colostrum LD is the most commonly prescribed form. This type of colostrum has been encapsulated in little lipid wrappers to allow it to pass through the stomach acidity and survive. As a result, it is about 15 times more effective than other forms of colostrum. Colostrum is high in antibodies, which support your immune system. It contains lactoferrin, which regulates iron and growth factors. If you have leaky gut allergies or autoimmune illnesses, this is a powerful medicine to nourish the interior layer of your intestines. One thing to remember concerning colostrum is that if you have a compromised immune system and take too much of it, you may trigger an immunological reaction, so start with a minimal amount and then test the water. This entails taking 1/4 teaspoon with a tiny amount of water before going to bed and seeing what occurs. If you eat the entire spoon, you can feel sleepy, have a mucus response, or have an immunological reaction. Start slowly and gradually increase it, and if you react, back off until it is cleared up before starting again. The fact that you react indicates that you require it. You must take it in minimal doses. Another way to improve your immunity is acids. We want to ensure that the big intestine contains lactic acid, which will reduce infections in the body. This is because acid kills bacteria. Thus, we require hydrochloric acid in our stomachs and lactic acid in our large intestines. So it would be best to take betaine hydrochloride, sea salt, fulvic acid, and kombucha tea to help build up your stomach acid. Even probiotics like lactobacillus can help you get the lactic acid you need. Fermented foods and prebiotics come next. This can improve the immune system, so eat items like sauerkraut and kimchi. Prebiotics, similar to vegetable fibers, are also advantageous because they provide food for your microorganisms. Anyone over the age of 60 should take a probiotic supplement. Number 4, daily sunlight exposure. Sunlight enhances the immune system, which is an excellent tip for those who want to take fighting bruises and increase their immune system to the next level. We all know that the sun isn't a meal, but if you're searching for methods to boost your immune system, you'd be crazy not to include it. Spending 30 minutes every day in direct sunshine will assist your body in producing vitamin D. Naturally, this has various health advantages, but our focus is on how it helps the immune system. Vitamin D stimulates the development of immune cells and cytokines, which aid in the fight against diseases in the body. Number 5, fasting. This has a tremendous impact on the immune system. Fasting can help your immune system. There is evidence that fasting regularly can revitalize a severely compromised immune system, and I'm talking about intermittent fasting and periodic lengthy fasting. Number 6, sleeping. Sleep boosts melatonin, a potent hormone that can boost your immune system. So do everything you can to increase melatonin levels via sleep. However, please do not take this as a supplement because your body may develop resistance to it over time. Number 7, lower carbs. This is because the sugar weakens the immune system. Most of the people that are dying from COVID-19 have metabolic diseases such as diabetes, things that are related to carbohydrates and high insulin. So you want not just to do keto, you want to do the healthy version to ensure the quality of nutrients is also there. Number 8, keep your stress low. This is significant because your immune system sleeps when you are under stress. It gets paralyzed and is unable to function. Thanks for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family. Check out this video to learn more about how to care for your body, and we'll see you in the following video. Take care.